Okay, here's video number 9. Mm, let's get started. See where we at. Okay, in the previous videos, I was over trading on purpose to show y'all the power in what I'm using to call trades. But no matter how powerful your trading style is, if you overtrade, it's going to be difficult to make a lot of money in a short period of time. The growth is going to be short, and more than likely, you're going to be breaking even or moving backwards. Um, now that I did that, I'm going to show you how I really trade, where I don't take every trade, and actually, space out my trades. Okay. So it's going for the sweep Ds. Yeah, it swept these lows. Okay, I got this on auto block. Let me see what's over here on a 1 hour. See if I can find an auto block down there. That's the doggone fall. I ain't even doing it. Pay attention to current price. Let's go. Okay. And it swept the last low. Okay, let's see what it do after that. If we get a stair-stepping formation here on this 5-minute time frame, more than likely we're going to shoot up, down, up, down, up. I mean, up, down, up, down, up, down. So stair-stepping formation, you see it? Let me pause and see. Yeah, this is looking like buying. And I'm not going to use 30 pips. I'm going to use 50. That's what I normally go for. This go up to 125. And now I'll be trading it up to, see this range? Trading this range right here. And up to this auto block. Today's Thursday. I don't understand how it's Thursday. I thought I stopped on Friday the last time. How the heck I get to Thursday? I don't know. This is weird. All right. So let's get into this trade. Let's see if it'll work out for us. Okay. That's what I was looking for. All right, now to protect myself, Empty for, oh, wait, man, why it don't grab? I don't understand it. Okay, I'm gonna leave my exposure at 7 pips. 7 pips. See right here. Because if it breaks this low, there's nothing over here to stop it. That's underneath here. I mean, it's gonna take this low. It would take that low. So I want to be out the market by then and be looking for sales if that's the case, which I won't of the because of this 4 hour order block. I'm not selling into that. It would have to go up and hit some order block up here to mitigate for me to sell into that. Um, any hopes of it taking. Um, let's see what we get. Preserve capital. That's what I do when I trade. I wasn't doing that in the other videos um so much, but I definitely do that in my day-to-day trading with my real money. You always must preserve capital. Get stopped out, re-enter if you have to, but do not allow it to go to your stop if you can avoid it once you're into profit. Here's an unmitigated order block, so you may come back to touch this. Let me see something. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah. So let me do this. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to I'm gonna put in a pending order right here, just in case. 4088. Usually when I'm trading, I'm watching Fresh and Fit or Kevin Samuels, you know, and I'll be dodging back and forth to the screen. I can't do it in this video. Right now I'm in the right now I'm watching Fresh and Fit on my other screen. It's the one I think with Mike and Shannon's on there. Yeah, that's the guest. Wait, what I'm doing? I got to put in my balance. This is just in case they come down here and stop me out with that. I will be in the market. That's why I'm doing that. Because it might mitigate this before it go up. Maybe not. Well, he might do it when he hit this order block. All right, didn't take this high. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right, first target hit. All right, second target hit. And I want to see if it hit here. If we hit here, I can probably get another trade this day. That's a lot of space to get 50 pips. All right, let's change this to 38 so it can line up with the see the last three digits right here, 138. That had me trading at 1% of my account. So we had $13,840. Okay, let's see if it let me back in. Nah, that time frame is too doggone small. All right, let's do this. One black, one black, one black. Damn. I'd rather this. If it comes back down into this, or let me see, what if I use that, or better yet, use this. Use this chop. Where am I target? See where I have enough room for it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I know it's gonna go there. I don't want to put in the sell before it hits it. I don't want it to turn around on me. All right. This extreme order block at the end of this range. So we're targeting. So let me see. Midpoint of that. Yeah, I'm good. It's not above the midpoint, so I don't need to do that. I'll take that chance. Let's see. Mm, bouncing off this order block. See, if I was still going for 30 pips, I would have entered right here again because it's mitigating this. Go up after that if our trade is still valid. Because sometimes it'll come short of the order block because the move was so strong in the opposite direction. And see, in that big wick right there, that can possibly is what's happening right now. And it's just gonna go down and stop me out. But let's see. Yeah, see, responding off that order block. All right, mitigating this order block to continue the up move. Let me show you what I mean by the order block because y'all probably ain't understanding what I'm saying. It mitigated this order block, right? Now it's mitigating this order block. Oh no, this is not even an order block because this didn't even take that high. So now it's an order block once it's closed above here. And that's the close above this high in order to make this become an order block. Then again, this would be the order block for that matter, not this. All right. This thing looking iffy, like it's gonna fall on me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock in some profits. I don't think I'm gonna use the 5 minute time frame because it's too close. If it takes this low, then I'm gonna give up the ghost. For any buys, I then be looking for sells because I'll probably get a chalk on a 5 minute somewhere up in here before I do that. Let me see. Okay, locked in 11 pips. I'll be mad they come down here and stop me out and then go up there to my target when I could have left it. I don't really like doing this, like locking in profits like that. More times than often, what I just explained happens. Tampering with your trade, it's best to leave it alone. Put it at break even and just leave it there. We're in at our midway point. But you can see the resistance coming into the market. we in the end of the day. So okay, that trade is done. We'll take one more trade, a sell off of this, and then we can call it a day with this video. All right, let me because if it's, let me see how this is looking. Yeah, you see, I'm looking for it to sweep this whole thing to go up to this order block, but it has to take this out first. So it has to take out this high in this order block here. See, it has to take that out. So if it doesn't, it's a 4 hour candle. 20. It's a brand new 4 hour candle. If it doesn't, then I need to put in a sell, and I'm gonna trade it for more than 50 pips because look at this whole move. This is 50 pips here, and this is 100. Encompasses the range. So let me move this. This is the way I want to do this. Now, this is the way I really trade. Let me see. It didn't hit the midway point yet. So what I'll do is, I ain't gonna be able to catch it. It's moving too fast. 4180. That's good, but that is a number that turns the market. So I'll do 79. No, 4179. And then we above the high. So, and I want to modify because if it go above that high, I'm giving up the ghost and make my exposure. It's 11 and 11. I want it at 10 pips. 10 pips, 10 pips. 9, 9, 10. Only thing I don't like about this program, you have to do this instead of you just dial in what you want. Okay, that's 9, 9. No, 9, 9. All right, 9, 9. That's 10 pips. All right. I can't see nothing. Mm. All right, here's what I'm gonna do because the way he's jumping like that, I'm gonna put in I did the 100, just gotta go back to 50 because that's my normal way of trading. So I'm gonna set um just in case it runs past me. This right here, you can see this. You see this wiki candle right here? Let me enlarging this for y'all. Okay, this wiki candle right here. I'm gonna put in a sell stop below it at 41.59. Cause so it don't run past me. Cause it'll move fast. Cause markets fall quicker than they rise. So I get something out of this, just in case it doesn't hit my thing. And let me see my exposure on this. Oh, okay. The only mess up thing if it does this, zoop, liquid, mitigate that. This is not an order block, so yeah, okay, now. What I was about to say don't make, it means nothing. Let me see, but it may be one on a 15-minute. Yeah, it is right here. And go hit this order block and then go boom, back up there, stop me out. So that can happen. All right. Now that I'm all loaded up, let's see what it gives me. Um, oh, I need a small time frame. I can't see nothing. Going into a new day, Friday. It came just shy of our entry target. Let's see if it get us in there. Doing it again. And making me want to just hit the doggone thing, but I'm gonna be patient. Cause that not following your trade plan is very disastrous. I feel like FOMO in myself right now. If I miss it, so what? Ooh, I know what I can do. If I do miss it, I can put in another sell stop at 41.59. That way I get my 100 pips, right? See, one thing about you got to think about this business. Okay, let's see. You got to think about this logically. Okay, now I got into here. So just in case this doesn't get hit, I don't feel like entering and FOMOing myself because it can very well go up and be going for this and sweep all of these highs before it goes down. So let's see what it does. Man, it still didn't get me in. I'm right up there. We ain't hit the midway point totally yet. Oh, I'm in. As you can see, yeah, oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Making me nervous. That's only a 10 pip exposure, right? Okay, better. This may be it. I ain't believing in it until it take this out. See how it went right into that wick and then pop back up. That's why I have that. That's why I have these sell stops underneath there and not underneath this. That's where the buyers came in at. Cover that. Reserve capital. To stop me out, I just enter back in and have a smaller stop than 10 because I'm going to put it at this high instead of this one. I'm in on those two. Wait. That go to that 15 minute, right? That order block. Uh-oh. Can't see. All right, right here. See what it's doing with it. See how it's stopping it? And I'm exposed right here for 30 pips. So I really needed to break this. Yeah, get your test. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for the test. That's why I was waiting for the test before I put my break even. After that test and it comes back like it's doing now, you put your break even or whatever, or above the high, or whatever, because if you don't and it comes back in that way, one like it's gonna stop you out. It's not going your direction. Or your entry's premature and it's gonna give you a better entry. So protect your capital. Okay, now that it made that high, now that it made this, I'm going to limit my exposure on these two. All right, that's 7 pips. And instead of 30 pips, it's down to 14 pips. So it's like one trade because my stops is usually 15 pips. So I just eliminated um, exposure on one whole trade on this. So I'm only exposed for one trade now. We have to do this wick right here. Looking good. You see how it went up? Now this candle closed down. Well, it's closing up. Yeah, see the buying coming in. Yeah, see how it went up to go down. Ah, see, yeah, that's how I know. See, I'm seeing it going up right before here. That and it is not big candles. It's not engulfing candles, you know. So that's saying that they're accumulating for the push. Okay, so now I can hit my BEs and just relax. All right, great. Okay, that was successful. I should lock in some pips in this 100 pip trade. And that'd be foolish to doggone allow them to come back and give me all that back. Um, Hold on, let me stop this. All right, they made a high right here. Let me see. 10 pips. 19, 20, 30. See if I can go lock in 50. That is so close to price. That's too scary. I'd be mad that thing come up, tap me, then jump back down. So if it takes that high, right? I'll chill here with 30 pips. If it if it takes this high, right, it will hit, it should hit this auto block and return. So my stop is above that. My stop is above that. As you can see, what makes it an auto block, it takes this low. Let me see something. Instead of hitting the erase, I probably can just hit undo, right? Let me see. I want to see something. Oh yeah, I can just hit the undo button quicker. All right. Yeah, I like that better. You see, because you see this wick, we up 56 pips. This wick, this order block, it took this high, so that's powerful. So I'm buying one on it. That's the break. And it could very well send it back up. Look what it did. The last time it was at this price point. You can't ignore stuff like that, especially these big old candles. So I give myself some breathing room. That's why I don't put it above this here. All right. I am going to, since it don't look like it's going up um right away, meaning doing this. Bing, bing. That's what I don't want to happen to me. However, it's stalling right here. So I'm going to move this down to here because just in case it decides to go up. And I can at least lock in 50 pips, you know. All right, there's 50 pips. Okay. All right, mitigate this. So I came and mitigate this wick, went down, came back up, mitigated this order block with this right here. Now it's mitigating this. All right, let me show you what I mean. See, this is how you can tell the market going your way. You look for the stair stepping. Okay, what I was saying, yeah, it mitigated this wick here, right? Then came and mitigated this order block here. Now it's mitigating this order block right now. And we really don't want to see it go above this. We going above it. Responding to the order block. All right. Now we going into Sunday. Um, might not make it because look, um, might not make it, people. Because look what I'm seeing. We have a chart here, here, or you can do this whole thing here. like low to high, like that. Low to high, right there. All right, and this low came down here and it didn't break that. So here's what I'm gonna do. Again, lock in more profits at this high at 60 pips to 10 more pips out the market. I don't want to go into Monday with this trade because I want to start a fresh week. You know, I want to be in the trade. And tell you the truth, I would have closed it if I was trading real money because it's Friday. Yeah, see? All right, stop. How much is that? 64 pips, 65 pips. It's going up. Let me see. Did it hit this? No. But it might be poison to knock these out. Those highs. Yeah, because this is looking real bullish. I'll let it stop me out. Let me end this video. Man, you're taking me into Monday. Knock it off. All right, good. All right, people, that's the end of this video. And I hope you learned something how to read the market. Thanks for your time.